Welcome to JH. This supplement packs 500 milligrams of epimedium extract into every capsule, the active ingredient supposedly responsible for boosting male health and vitality. Because apparently, we all need a little help from a plant to feel like a functioning human being. Regular users claim they're feeling more energetic and performing better, and since the capsules are easy to swallow and filler-free, you won't have to choke down any unnecessary junk while chasing that fountain of youth. Many have even reported a boost in stamina and libido, making this a popular choice for those seeking natural support, which is usually just a fancy way of saying it came from the dirt. However, don't expect a miracle overnight. Results vary wildly. While some people feel like a brand new man, others report feeling absolutely nothing at all, except perhaps a little lighter in the wallet. There's also the rare chance of mild gastrointestinal discomfort, because nothing says peak performance like a sudden sprint to the nearest restroom. As always, check with a doctor before starting, especially if you have actual health concerns or are already on a cocktail of other meds. Overall, Nugenix Essentials Horny Goat Weed is a solid choice for extra support, provided you pair it with actual healthy habits and a heavy dose of realistic expectations.